Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Nailing it. Not only does Mexico Latino last list related Polish blogs, it also provided thumbnails for each link to save time. Google Translator enables followers to view the site in any languages. Without the translator, visitor views the blogs in Spanish and English. Mood pivot Polish prawn. One contributor shares her experience with nail art, her loves life and animal resources. Polished advance, nude puppet, polished porn. Egg porn is a basic blog featuring stunning and reminding com- comments. Posts are regular and a little relative. It's fun to read about two variety of nail art plates, supplies and strong position. But the most interesting stuff on this site are the links to another Polish blogs. Nailing it. One thing mood preferred Polish prawn does really well identify and manicure is its photos. Each menu is followed by the specific names of base brand and colors, pattern and plate. Nail Arts to Tuesday. Nail Arts Tuesday features a new nature nails art designs every Tuesday. Polished Advance. This blog is all about nail art. Every Tuesday, blogger Jimmy Debris share a new designs made of nature nails. Jamia Associations Friday post featured product reviews and other polish info. Nail Art Tuesday takes on the business of nail polish without the distribution of pet, love advance or others and united tips. When you visit Nail Art Tuesday, you actually feel like you are visiting a nail polish blogs. Nailing it. Jimin shows her nail art product with step-by-step photos. She even help you correct your mistakes regularly. Followed up your nail art Tuesday.